What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Headliners Team 2 is here. We have 54 packs saved and we want Vinicius Jr. I avoided doing his Player of the Month because I knew we'd have a better card coming out now, so we're on the hunt for Vinicius Jr. I would take a Mo Salah. Oh yeah, we've got the 84 plus I saved. What's this then? Jesus Christ. Right, we've got 54 packs. Yeah, 54 packs here. Rival rewards, SBCs, just everything I've accumulated throughout the week. So let's get into these and see if we can get a headliner. Not even a board, so that's a great start. Oh, go on then, walk out. Oh, who's that? Look poor. It's not a bad start. A few packs in, we've got a walkout. Oh, go on then. Oh no. Oh no. Be tradable, I've already got you in duplicate. Come on. How many Spanish were there? Go on then. Oh, Quadrado. One Zapata. Unbelievable. These two rare gold player packs have been opened and are not paying out. Loaned it in. Taking a Senjo. Back on the boards. Another two rare gold player pick. Another board. Good. I've just put him into half of the Ben Rama SBC, so I'll take him back. Nearly a milli coins. Do well in foot champs this weekend, and I reckon milli coins is ours. Another board. That's it. I think I've got you. No. Oh no, I put you in. Sweet. It's a board. Frank Kessie. 75 rated player, an 84. It's not bad. Go on then, big walkout. Small walkout. That come out of nowhere. 75 rated rare player, Gerard Moreno. Take that all day long. And again then. Oh, I got a board though. Volland. Ah, take a Werner over a Volland. Nice. How many of these 75 plus rated rare players have we got left? Hopefully not many. Or if they keep paying out, not massive, not massive. Just massive. Come on. Yeah, go on then. Portuguese. Take a Guerrero. So we've got 10 packs left. They're all minimum rated, or there's a 50k pack here. Start with a minimum 80 rated. The board. Wow. I've already got you. I need this to be duplicate. No, I need this to be tradable. Fuck. Yes! Rare gold pack. Board. Vitzel. Another rare gold pack then. Another board. Outstanding. Almost certain I already got you. I'm going to put you in an SBC. I'll put you in an SBC, that's cool. Oh, Spanish. Who's that? Senja. It's not what you want to be seeing. Alright, we'll go for the 50k that's not guaranteed then. Support. Jordan Pickford from a 50k. My God. Maybe I should be saving these all for Team of the Year, but I don't want to. So we're just going to get all these open. Another board. Morata. These are great. $50k with a guaranteed board in. Oh my God. Hradecki from a 50k. These are horrendous. I was getting better things from 75 plus rare rated player pack. I'm going to do the 85 plus rated rare player pack first. Oh my God, big walkout. Go on then. Neymar. Oh. Oh, it could have been Neymar. Got a bit too excited for Casemiro, but we'll take a Casemiro from the 85 plus. And we'll finish this off with the 100k pack. So please be a walkout at the very, very least. Small walkout, just Chesney. Good. 100k pack, Chesney. After not packing much there, we're going to take this into some foot champs. What have we got? We've done 9 games. So what is that? 8-1? We're already 8-1, so we'll get in, we'll play another one. And then to end the video, we are going to use our final, what they call winter wildcard swap tokens. We're going to do the 81 to 89 pack and the ultimate pack. So we'll do that after this game and we'll see what we can get. Nice team. Fred and Rash. A rater.
Starts with Mohamed Salah out wide, and they line up with just the one striker looking to do a bit of damage.
Just come on, Fekir. He dangled the leg out. I thought Hazard was going to go over it. You won't quit.
Back underway.
What
They no longer have the ball.
F.
Well, where has the time gone?
Right, we run then,
Seems
we
like
move, we
only
move.
5 minutes ago
On the
he
counter.
was joining the club, but today Stuart marks his 200th appearance.
Slowest counter the world's ever
Well,
seen.
200 appearances, I think you get referred to as a legend, and he certainly deserves that
Jesus
status.
Christ,
What a
dude.
good player and signing he's turned out to be.
And the pass
Nice.
could do damage. And there it is.
No!
And pushed
Would have
away
been a
to
nice
safety.
goal.
Hazard doing the manoeuvring here.
Go on, Hazard, please.
And just narrowly wide in the end.
What is wrong with you? Good. Benz.
Plenty of room in the wide area.
You want it then?
And Benzema in the middle.
Oh.
Smart stop.
How am I not winning this by more?
Corner.
I see you, Benz.
Good
Let's run in the
visualization
channel.
and execution. Hazard. Can he finish this? No hiding from the fact that they really should have extended
I've
their
done the
lead.
hard part.
That was a poor
The
miss.
footwork was
Could they
there.
come to regret that?
Oh, good touch, dickhead. Make that pass then. Oh, it's beautiful. Please hit it.
Pulls it back.
Yes!
And it's
Come
gone
on.
in. Just
It's a nice
what the
goal.
doctor ordered.
Good pass by
Things are
Goretzka, I
looking
think,
very
into
good for them now
Pulisic.
with this buffer. Decisively.
You're
Excellent
on,
ball
you're on.
over the top.
Come on, it's a good finish. 3-0. Get out of my game. Nice. Light work. So that's our first 10 done. 9-1. Let's go and open some packs. So we'll finish the video off with these packs. We've just qualified for champs, so we've got these 3, and then we've gone and done our 10 81 to 89 rated players pack, and we've done the ultimate pack as well with our last 8 tokens. So let's get these open. What have I got here? Oh, Werner. Gonna have to get rid of you. Get these open then. Hopefully we can finish off with something big. Oh, I've got a board. Brazil. Alan. I think I've already got him. I have not. Go on then. Oh, big walkout then. Oh, Haaland. It's not bad. Take the fodder. And again. Little boy. Brazil. Jesus. Okay. And Kovacic. Tasty. That's guaranteed 84 plus. You know what? We'll do this one. Give me Vinicius Jr. He's 88 rated. Please. A small walkout. Ruben Dias. Yeah. If there's a couple more walkouts in there as well, it's not too bad. Which there is not. Great. That's that's pretty poor, isn't it? 4 boards out of 9. Oh, we'll take it. We'll finish the video off with this ultimate pack. Can we get anything? Give me a headliner then. Oh my, I got bored. Did I just get Delict again? Now I got De Vrij. That wasn't great, but we'll end it there. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll be back tomorrow with our mid icon pack. I'll see you then. Peace.